Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, this is Ashwarya and I make vlogs on my education and also my lifestyle, that's the daily life. And now I am going to be showing you guys a day in my life. So now I'm waiting for my online classes and now I have the logistics and supply chain management. So wherein I have a new faculty for this. So we have to start off from the starting chapter. That's from the first chapter. And right now I'm waiting for the faculty to come in. It's already 9 o'clock and I don't know, very few are there in the class. And I'm just waiting. Okay, so now the class has started and I don't want to waste more time. So I'll just meet you guys after the class. Hey guys, I'm done with class 1. And now I have class 2nd, which is strategic financial management. So we're still waiting. It's just like 10 o'clock and there's very few people, so usually people come join late for the class, so we all are waiting for the others to join. And in one day I have 3 classes, so it starts at 9 and each class is of 45 minutes and it ends at 12 o'clock. So it is only 3 classes per day, so it's actually very good because most of the time we can be free during the afternoon and evening time. It is totally free for us, so I can spend time studying or just doing what I feel like. But at night around for 1 hour I usually prepare for the next day's classes. That is, I look at all the 3 classes what I have and I make sure that I go through it before I get into the class, because it if I don't do that, the class would not make sense for me. And you guys would also can also follow this. Just spend around half an hour for each subject and you're done for the class. And also each class has a break of around 10 minutes. So during this time I just go through my phone and I have some water, or if I feel like having food, then I have. And usually my breakfast would be utilized or eaten by me in the first hour itself. During the classes I tend to eat my breakfast. And also today I have to visit my friend's home because she's baking a cake and she wants my help. It's her mother's birthday, and maybe after lunch I would go to her house to help her out. Okay, the class has started, so meet you guys after this. Okay guys, so now it's the 3rd class for the day and also the last class for the day. So I'm in the same mood as usual, a study mood, and this subject is IFRS. It is mostly based on accountancy, so I need a calci for this. And I'm enjoying this class with some peanut butter and some apple. This class is also for 45 minutes and we are still waiting for most of them to join, because as of now only 20 people have joined. So let's just wait. And one more thing what I do is that I keep my window open the entire 3 hours and also more than that if I'm studying for a longer time. So until around 6 in the evening I actually open the window, because I just feel like it lifts off my mood, and also I like fresh air when it comes into my room. And third thing is that brightness, it just gives such natural light, and I don't know why it is looking so dull in my camera, but the brightness is too good. And today is a bright sunny day, because usually yesterday and 2 days before was too cold and it was dull also, but now the weather is quite good. Okay, so the class would start in another few seconds and I would meet you after that. Now the end of the 3rd class and we are done with today's online classes. So now I have a bit of work which my mom has given me, so I'll move on to that. But before that I should just clean up my entire study table, and I should just keep away all my stationeries. My pen goes there. My headphones goes here, and my calci and my books goes in my cupboard. My charger and other wires goes in my drawer, and my book into the book rack, my calci and my laptop. That's it. So it's done. Okay guys, so now I'm leaving to my friend's house. It is just a neighbor house, so it doesn't take a lot of time. It's like hardly a minute or two to reach the house. Yeah, so now I'm like about to reach her house, and I'll show you guys our cake which we make. Hey guys, now I'm at my friend's home and we are like baking a cake, and this is the frosting done and she's my friend. And I'll show you the cake also. We have made a vanilla cake. It's here. And I'll just update you guys when the cake is done. Okay guys, so this is the end result of our cake, the effort of 2 hours. It looks so good. Smells really good also. So now we have to just cool it down, and then it's time for some frosting on it. Okay guys, so this is how the cake looks like. It is baked by me and my friend Neha.
It's amazing.
She just totally loved the flavor and the taste of the cake.
Oh my god,
These
I
are
love
cherries.
it.
Now it should be freezed. Okay, now I'm just leaving the home to reach my home. There would have a little party now. I'll just be moving. I'm about to reach my house. And now I would just help my mom because tomorrow we have puja. And then later on I can just study. I'm back after completing the work which my mom gave. And now it's time to study, and I made myself some hot water. And hot water is a thing which I frequently keep having it multiple times in a day. It helps in digestion, and I also don't have the habit of having tea or coffee, so I think that's like one of the most healthiest habit what I have. And now I'll just set my table properly. And in today's session I would be looking at the Friday's timetable, because tomorrow is Thursday and Thursday the classes are cancelled for tomorrow, so I will study for the Friday's classes. Okay, so now I'm going to be starting to study, and I also like to have somebody next to me when I'm studying. So the one which I prefer is the productivity stream. So this is nothing but study with her live, and there are many channels which actually give this study live, and the most popular one which I like is named Study Streams channel. So herein the channel would be live for 12 hours, so anybody would come in and they can enjoy studying and move on. And the timings are really flexible is what I consider. So now I'm going to be studying for around 2.5 to 3 hours. The reason is that tomorrow there would be guests in my house, so I actually cannot spend more than 2 hours studying tomorrow. So I'm covering up the tomorrow's session today itself. And yeah, as of now I'm getting ready for Friday's class, and I also have to search about CAT exam. So before UPSC I am doing my masters, so I have to write the entrance exam, and I really don't know anything about CAT, and that's the reason I have to look at what is the syllabus of CAT, what is actually CAT for, or is there any other examinations for the entrance. So I have to do a lot of research is what I got to know. And yeah, so let me just not spend more time in vlogging, but I'll just join in for studying. Yes guys, the study session is completed, and I would just take up my mug because I don't want to leave things behind. Okay, so it's not like I do the same thing every single day. It depends on the entire day. So I usually don't depend on any timetables as such, because sometimes I might be free and sometimes I might not be free. So that's the reason I just plan in the morning itself what I do and what I don't want to do. So it is better to plan in the morning when you get up, because the mind would be free and you know what are the things that you're supposed to do in the morning, in the entire day. So that's how I plan for the day. And now I would just have my dinner and spend some happy family time. So if you like my vlog, do like and subscribe my channel. And this is my first vlog for what I do in a day. So I would like to improve a lot, because this is just a first one, so I might have made a lot of mistakes, but I hope that I would not continue this after few more efforts. So this was it of September 16th. That's a Wednesday, 2020. So my day on this date went on like this. Thank you and bye.